The crankshaft seals are one of the most important components in your engine. They are what seal the openings on either end of the crankshaft and prevent oil from seeping through the cover onto other components of the machine. These seals must be made of superior components and able to withstand heavy abuse, pressure, heat, and oil. Up next, we are going to replace the front crankshaft seal in this 3306 engine. We begin by removing the bolts and the damper from the engine. The replacement of a damper must be done if the damper is dented, cracked, or leaking, if the paint on the damper is discolored from heat, if the engine has had a failure because of a broken crankshaft, or if there is a large amount of gear train wear. Now we proceed to remove the pulley and crankshaft hub. We remove the internal bolt from the pulley and install it back into the threaded hole in the crankshaft. Using a puller assembly, we remove the hub and pulley as a unit. Now that the crankshaft front seal is exposed, we drill 2 holes and using a sliding hammer, it's removed. Remember that if the crankshaft seal is replaced, the wear sleeve must be replaced as well. Now with a pry bar, we proceed to remove the wear sleeve. To prepare the surface for the installation of the new components, we apply a primer to remove any oil residue on the surface of the crankshaft snout and apply the CTP retaining compound for a better crankshaft installation and sealant. CTP's crankshaft seals are packed with a special anti-rust paper that protects the integrity of the seal and extends its shelf life. All CTP crankshaft seals come with a wear sleeve already assembled and ready to install. At the moment of installation, we recommend putting a little engine oil on the wear sleeve before the seal goes in place. We put the wear sleeve and the crankshaft seal onto the crankshaft with the lip of the seal facing toward the engine. We install the tool into the threaded hole in the crankshaft and torque it until the installer is against the end of the crankshaft. Now we put the hub and pulley in position on the end of the crankshaft and install the bolt and washer with a torque wrench. Remember, it is important to consult the manufacturer's manual to adjust the bolts with the proper torque. Finally, the vibration damper is placed on the hub and we install the bolts that hold it.